What happens in Las Vegas does not stay in Las Vegas because I'm here from DATAcated to fill you in on all the highlights. The Alteryx Inspire keynote began with an inspirational talk from Paula Hansen, the President and Chief Revenue Officer at Alteryx, and Suresh Rao, Chief Product Officer at Alteryx. They discussed the importance of ease of use and how they're leveraging AI in their already user-friendly platform, providing clients with access to innovations such as Auto Insights, Designer Cloud, their Aiden Copilot, and more. They shared some customer stories, including how SiriusXM partnered with Databricks, attributed to a $12 million benefit to their profit and loss as a result of analytics. They talked about how RSM now has the ability to handle 3 times more client projects delivered per year. They created a keyword analyzer app which will add millions of pounds of revenue to their business. And they mentioned how West Marine achieved a 90% reduction in operational costs by using Magic Documents and Auto Insights. Suresh shared that the number of Alteryx workflow runs generated was over 417 million, and it continues to rise. He talked about how AI is making analytics easier and helping get insights faster. AI tools are being built into your apps. They're enterprise grade and they leverage quality data that you can trust. He also mentioned how Aiden Copilot is going to make your workflows run faster. We then heard from a customer, Dr. Shane Asmus, Global Head of People Analytics at Royal Caribbean. He talked about how they leverage tools to fill their analytic needs, using Alteryx for their new hire demand forecast. Suresh acknowledged the risks associated with AI, including bias, misinformation, and hallucinations, and explained how Alteryx provides proper guardrails to help mitigate those risks. Next up, Alex Barr, Senior Manager of Revenue Data at DoorDash, talked about how Alteryx has been a game changer for their business process transformations. They process a vast amount of data, so scalability and leverageability are critically important. They need the non-technical users to be able to use their platform quickly, saving them 25,000 hours a year with Alteryx, resulting in millions in ROI. Joshua Berghow, Alteryx evangelist, joined the stage to talk to Alex about the 3 things that DoorDash marketing team wants to accomplish: targeting the right customers, scaling into the cloud, and reporting on campaign performance. He showcased how Aiden can help, and he let Alex drive and demonstrated how Aiden builds workflows like magic. Jay Henderson, SVP of Product Management at Alteryx, discussed Alteryx priorities, including infused AI, customer love, enterprise readiness, and cloud. They announced the latest release of Designer and Server 24.1 and talked about new features such as custom templates metadata, new formula functions, disabled expressions and formulas, and their replace missing macros feature. Jay also mentioned their enhancements to connectors and third-party integrations with several partners and announced their AI-powered visual query builder, which is absolutely awesome for non-technical users. Adam Conway from Databricks talked about how Databricks and Alteryx work together. He mentioned that the winners in every industry will be data plus AI companies. He discussed how the legacy split of data stacks between business intelligence and artificial intelligence can cause challenges, and how creating a unified data stack that is easy to use, accessible, and governed can help to overcome those challenges. He also discussed how the data lakehouse combined with generative AI equals data intelligence that understands your data. The partnership between Databricks and Alteryx helps democratize access to data and AI. Joshua and Alex returned to the stage to talk about reporting on marketing campaign performance. They created interactive visuals with recommended charts that show insights and actually answer the question, why? They also used Magic Documents to create a PowerPoint with visuals that tell a campaign story, and guess what? It even included speaker notes. My mind is still spinning with all the impressive updates and use cases discussed this morning. I hope you enjoyed this brief recap of the Alteryx Inspire keynote highlights.